In this video, I am going to explain you from statistics exercise 14.1 third question. So let's start with the question. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowances of children of the locality. The mean pocket allowances is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. So here you can see, compared to these two questions, here they had asked to find out the mean. Here mean is already given. You have to find out the missing frequency. Just have a look on given data. Daily pocket allowances in rupees is given. 11 to 13, 7 children will get the pocket money. 11 to 13, then 13 to 15, that is 6, 15 to 17, 9, and between the range of 17 to 19, 13, 19 to 21. So this much pocket money, how many students will get, that we have to find out. So how many students will get, that is F is what, how many students will get the pocket money from lower limit 19 to 21 rupees, that we have to find out. Now as we know, F we can use in the mean formula, so that's why mean is given, so you can use any mean formula to find out F. But now I'm going to take you another method, that is assume mean method. So already I explained you direct method, then step division, and now I'm going to teach you assume mean method. So first let me write the formula for assume mean method. I'm going to use this assume mean method. You can use any method. So the formula is A. You can show the mean with X bar like this. A is a class mark of model class. A plus summation of Fi into Di upon summation of Fi. So first let us find out what are the things given and what we have to find out. So assume mean method. So mean is already given here. Mean is given rupees 18. So this is given. We know this. A we can find out, this is a class mark of model class. So already I have calculated, and in my previous video I have shown you how to calculate the class mark. So Xi is a class mark. These are the number of students. This is the pocket money. So these two data we had. This I have found. So 11 plus 13 divided by 2, that will give you the class mark. It means what? The midpoint of class mark. So as this range is very small, the range is just 2. So 11, 12, 13. So 12 comes in the middle. So I will write directly. Instead of adding 11 plus 13 then dividing with 2, just when the data is smaller you can write class mark easily. Here 13, 15, so 14 will come in the middle, 16, here 18, 19, 20, 20, 22, then 23, 24. So this is over, this is Xi and Fi. So in direct method, you can use direct method, Fi into Xi, 12 7s are 14 6 are. If you know the tables, you can do that by that method also. So here Di, because in our mean formula we have Di. Fi we know. So Di we have to calculate. How to calculate Di? So this is equals to Xi, that is our class mark of first class, minus A is what? A is class mark of model class. So you can see here 1 2 3 1 2 3 will you equal number of classes here. This is what? Model class, and this is the class mark of model class. So you can see here, this is class mark and this is model class. So this is A. This is what? Assumed. So let us take this is the class mark of model class. So A we got here. So you can write which all the things you got here. A is 18. Then first find out Di. Then you have to find out the summation, means addition of Fi into Di. So Di is Xi. So this is Xi, class mark of first class, minus A is here 18. So here you can write down 18 so that your calculation becomes easy. 12 minus 18 you have to do. So 12 minus 18 is minus 6. Then 12 minus 18, sorry 14 minus 18. Xi minus A. So 14 minus 18 is minus 4. Then 16 minus 18 is minus 2. 18 minus 18 is 0. 20 minus 18 is 2. 22 minus 18 is 4. Then 24 minus 18 is 6. Now find out the multiplication of product of Fi into Di. So these two columns you have to take. So focus on only these two, don't focus on these two, because there will be a lot of calculation in statistics. So which are the data you need, focus on that data only. 7 6 you can find out 42 plus minus becomes minus, multiplication of integers properties. 6 4s are 24, plus minus is minus, 9 2s are 18, plus minus is minus, then 13 zeros are 0. Then here see what you are going to do here. F into 2, F is unknown, this is variable and this is a constant, or you can take number. So 2 into F or F into 2 is 2F. Usually we'll write number first and then alphabetic later or variable. Next 5 4s are 20, 4 6 are 24. So our Fi Di also is ready. Only we have to find out now summation of Fi and then summation of Fi into Di. Summation of Fi is what? Addition of frequencies. So this is the frequencies. So here if you find out this, F you can't add because unknown, we don't know the value of F. So add these all plus F you have to keep as it is. So if you add these all numbers, you'll get 44 plus F. Here also we have the variable, so add these all numbers. So according to their signs you have to add, because these are the integers, positive, negative. So use the properties of finding addition or subtraction of integers. Fi into Di, addition of Fi into Di's, you will get answer as 2F minus 40. You will get minus 40 and then plus 2F. 2F we can't add. Now we got these three values and even we have the assumed mean. Only we have to just find out here F. So when you put this summation of F5, we have here F, even where we have F. So by using transposition method of finding the unknown value, you can find out the unknown frequency. So assume mean. So we have the mean, it is already given 18 equals to, this is class mark of model class, that is 18. Next plus summation of Fi into Di, that is 2F minus 40. Be careful while doing the calculation. See here summation of Phi is only, it is a denominator of this term, not 18. So don't write here full upon 18. So this is summation of Fi into summation of Fi, that is 44 plus F. So now as per the rules of addition of fractions, you can solve this fraction part. So what I am going to do here, so this is whole part, so I am going to shift here because I want here F alone. So 18 minus 18 equals to, this is 2F minus 40 divided by 44 plus F. So this is 0 you got this side. So 2F minus 40, this is 44 plus F. So we'll convert this into the normal form. We don't want here denominators. So 44 plus F into 0 is 0. 2F minus 40. We want to find out F. So rest all things we will shift that side. So plus we'll find out, first we will shift minus 40 because this is a different term. So terms are separated by plus or minus. So minus 40 will become plus 40 when we shift to this side. 2F remain. Now F you want, so 40 to shift that side, it is multiplied with F, so shift that side. Then we'll get answer as 40 divided by 2, that is 20. And this F is what? Unknown frequency. So F is 20, it means what? Here we don't have the frequency. So according to our questions, 20 students will get the allowances between 19 to 21 rupees. So that is what unknown value, how to find out. So you can use any method whichever suitable and which is convenient to you, you can use. So finally write the statement according to your given question. So question is find the missing frequency. Therefore you can write here, therefore missing frequency is 20.